Before we start draw Pikachu, I'll show you some of Pikachu's facial expression. This worksheet have many different expressions in different plots. Once you master all the changes, you'll be ready to use it. Draw Pikachu.
Pikachu.
Other owl under here. Covering, like overlapping a little bit. Then we do the other oval side of this one.
It quite looks like a little toy man.
And also this side, overlapping the other oval. They're overlapping a little bit. And here's a long oval overlapping its feet. And also this side, it's a very thin. It's a very thin, long leg, right? And now we draw a line, black line from here to here. And making here, inside here, two chubby arms.
Chubby arm? Two chubby.
Middle. Yeah. Now we got two arms that emphasize this line, and make fingers on the tip. And this side also, the line go down and then make fingers. Then we're going to draw the face, the cheek line, just curve down.
Chick.
Okay, let's draw forehead, curvy around upper line. Then we do a ear. The one side is laying down.
Pikachu's ear.
The other side is standing, stretching your line up and down. Then add a tip.
The tip of the ear is black.
Here is a cheek. Make sure it's a round shape. Just next to the side face line. Then we draw eyeball. It's on the top right side of your cheek. It's also a circle.
A circle.
Then the other eye, it's at the same height, and this one is not exactly a circle, it's a little oval. It's on the other side, it's an oval shape. Good. Next, let's just do a 1 point between the eye little right side, because the Pikachu's face is facing right side. Also, the mouth left side is a little longer and the right side is a little shorter. Make sure it's the face have a little angle. The big smiley, just putting a curvy line down and up.
Smiley Pikachu.
Nice. Also a tongue inside. Esther, add a tongue inside. A little curvy line from top to the side. Nice. A eyeball, 2 eyeballs, convert toward to center. Let's just add a highlight line under each eye with our pencil. Excellent. There's a pattern on the back of the Pikachu. We only can see a part of it. Now let's make clear all the lines that we want. The front leg, back leg line, also the foot, toe. Just make sure all the lines are clear and prepare for the outline. Try to give the foot some details. There's a curvy line on the heel. Yes, draw the toes on both sides.
I already done the toes.
You are so fast. Make the toes and the heels. Use a curvy line. Give more details. It's the time to add the tail. Tail is made with zigzag straight line. Let's just do it step by step. Straight line up, and the other side also straight line up. Good job. Then the one side is still straight up, and turn the other side up. Great. Then the other one is the same. Just make sure it's little by little getting wider between 2 lines. The last long line you can make a little bit curvy and connect 2 points together at the end. We finished with Pikachu. Easy peasy, right?
Easy peasy, lemon squeezy.
Now let's draw the Pokeball under Pikachu. We want Pikachu sitting on it. That's a really small, cute Pokeball, Esther. Then we add inside the Pokeball. There's a circle. You see it's not on the middle of the Pokeball, it's little under, closer the bottom of your Pokeball, because this is a looking down angle, and also the side belt. The belt is a curvy line, which is can showing your Pokeball is a round shape.
Let's do outlining. I'll use my black Sharpie.
Okay, if done, I'm going to use my color pencil. Finally, let's start coloring.
Coloring.
Let's get started from Pikachu's body, a yellow color.
I want to start in a blue sky for background.
Okay. Make sure to find the middle area to get start our yellow. Now I put all the body part that middle yellow color, and I'll use the darker yellow to do the shadow area, and just use water to merge into the lighter area. Make Pikachu some dimension. Now let's just simply put in a middle yellow color to Pikachu's body that you think it's a middle area. You can always set in a sunlight from an angle, and if you are clear where the sunlight coming from, you can make sure which area is the middle area and which area can be shadow and which area is highlight. I always just leave the lighter area, don't touch it. After I put in all the colors, I just use a clean brush with some water to blend in, merge little bit color to the lightest area to make highlights. Watercolor is different the paint. When you coloring with your watercolor, you always need to be careful to leave the highlight area because you cannot add white color after that to make highlights. You can see I leave some white space, which are not only the highlights, also the shadow area. I just try to put other colors, and if you like, you just leave the highlights white, and you can paint.
I'm still coloring the face.
Take your time, no rush. Now let's blend in yellow with little brown color to make the shadow color. If you feel it's a little dark, you can always add more water to thinner the color. Make sure it's merging together, not too strong. The side of the ear and under the ear, there's a shadow area. Also, under the tail. The neck of the tail, that whole part is a little bit darker. And also under the feet, bottom, side of the arm. Let's just correcting some details, some small area. Then we prepare to changing the color. Use your black color pencil or Sharpie to add the ears, the tip of the ears. Esther is working faster than me. She's ready for the red cheek. I'll start changing to the red color for now. Cheek is also a round shape, and I'll put just the darkest place to the red color. Then I clean my brush with water to merge to the light area. Let's use the same technique to do the pokeball. First, we do the darkest place with the red color, and especially under the Pikatyu. This part we need to do it darker. Then use water to thinner and merge into the ball.
I'm coloring the background blue.
Let's put some brown color into the eye.
Oh, brown color in the eye.
Make some shadow inside the middle of the ball and also the bottom of the ball. Now we almost complete our Pikatyu. Let's see. Esther have ear tip not done yet. Also inside the mouth, we need to put some color to finishing. Use a light color near the outside of the tongue and gradually darken the inside.
Now we are done. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.
So cute, Pikachu. Bye bye.